Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Facebook and going straight to your profile so you can act. Once there, tap Friends to see your list and scan for people you want to mark. Make sure you already know who should be close friends. That saves time when adding multiple people. If you're on mobile versus desktop, the layout differs slightly, but the idea is the same. Find the person first, then prepare to edit their friend settings. Now you add each person. Open their profile and tap the Friends button. That reveals the list options. Choose Add to another list, then pick Close Friends. This ensures they see prioritized updates. Once done for one person, use List Management from your profile to batch edit many names, which is faster when you have a long list. Make sure notifications for close friends are enabled if you want alerts, otherwise they'll simply appear more often in your feed. Finish by verifying your close friends settings so the list behaves as you expect. Go to Settings, then Notifications, and enable Close Friends alerts if desired. If you need to remove someone, open their profile and uncheck Close Friends. That's immediate. If additions don't stick, make sure your app is updated and clear the cache or reload Facebook. Temporary glitches often fix that. If problems persist, sign out and sign back in, then retry the same steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.